Hey guys, welcome back. Today is the day. We are dropping off the spoiler at Ssr Collision in a few minutes. I gotta get it in the car. I'm super excited. I can't wait to get this thing back and get it on the car. I'm just really excited for how it's gonna change the look, and yeah, I think it'll look good. So let me get it packed up here and we'll head over to SSR. Try to squeeze this thing in. I have to drive safe. I don't want this going anywhere. All right, she's in, ready to go. Well, here we are, guys. SSR. So we made it. I'm gonna go unload this thing, drop it off with Chris, and yeah, I'm super excited. I'm gonna see what he says, and yeah, I'll give you guys an update in just a minute.
A few minutes later.
Wow, and guys, just like that, I'm back in the car due to the power of editing. Isn't that crazy? Well, I just talked with Chris, dropped the spoiler off. Now I have all sorts of other ideas. I was talking with him, and I was thinking just gloss black, right? To match the black, you know, other accents on the car. But we were kind of talking, and I'm wondering if I should do something a little different. I could... Ooh, I don't know, guys. I'm gonna have to look into this and see, but he has me thinking. Well, guys, just like that, we are back in the garage again. Spoiler is officially dropped off at SSR Collision. I spoke with Chris a little bit, and we got talking, and I'm super excited for this. So next time you see the spoiler, it's going to be all painted up. I can't wait to show you. I can't wait to see it, because there might be another little surprise with the color here. As I got talking with Chris, we got spitballing some ideas, and I think it's gonna be pretty cool, but I'm gonna leave it at that. Yeah, no, I can't tell you anything more for now, but stay tuned. It's gonna be interesting. With that being said, I got thinking, and we are officially 1 year and a couple days now of where Daily Driven has been in existence on YouTube, which is super cool. I can't believe it's been a year already. We've done 40-something videos, I guess. 40-something, maybe 50 videos. I gotta go count them all up. But there's been a lot that we've done over the last year, not only just to the car, but on this channel. And so I want to just take a second and thank every single one of you for watching the videos and being a part of the channel. I can't wait to see what happens as we continue to grow. And yeah, so let's just do a little recap here of all the mods that we've done to the EcoBoost over the last year, because there's been quite a few, and I think we've got a really good start, a good base down for the performance mods to come. So let's go take a look. All right, guys, so that was kind of a wrap up to the first year of Daily Driven on YouTube. And I think it's pretty awesome. I'm super excited for what's to come on this channel. We got more mods to do on this car and more events to attend. I can't wait to see what's next here and to bring you guys more content, because there's a lot more that I want to share. It's cool that you guys are into it. I appreciate each and every one of you, and that spoiler's coming soon. Also, before I sign off for today, make sure to get in on the current giveaway going on. If you haven't seen that, go check out my last video. I'll put it right here. All you have to do is go back to that last video. You gotta comment, whatever your comment is, dash gift card, and then you have to be a subscriber and you gotta like the video. That's it. You get a free $50 gift card coming your way if you are chosen as the winner. Make sure to enter, guys. Make sure to get in on it. It's gonna run until we are at 1,000 subscribers. So I don't know how long that'll be. If that'll be a couple weeks or longer or less. It might be less. We're at like 9:55-ish now at the posting or of the recording of this video. So anyways, that's all I really have for you today. We dropped that spoiler off. I can't wait to get it back and show you all. That's gonna be coming in a future video. Can't wait, can't wait, can't wait. Can't say it enough. So guys, you guys have a great day. I will catch you in the next video. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.